Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Designed as the next kingdom home, the 2026 Prevost Extreme Motorhome is the epitome of ultra-luxury recreational vehicle design, pushing the limits of mobile living to previously unheard-of levels of luxury, technical sophistication, and independence. This potential concept goes beyond traditional motorhome criteria to provide a true mobile palace intended for prolonged, independent, and incredibly comfortable occupancy in any setting. Building upon Prevost's renowned reputation for creating upscale, bus-based conversions. Externally, the 2026 Prevost Extreme Motorhome would continue to use the sturdy, road-tested Prevost chassis, which is well known for its dependability and smooth ride. Its external design, however, would probably be a masterwork of understated yet commanding elegance. A sleek, aerodynamic shell made of advanced composite materials might have integrated solar panels as part of an intricate energy collection system. Clean lines, large panoramic windows, perhaps with electrochromic dimming technology, and subdued yet effective lighting would be highlighted in the external design. Its ability to be self-contained would be highlighted by concealed storage spaces for a large amount of stuff, perhaps even a secret garage for a high-end sports car or luxury utility vehicle. Its extreme adaptability would be hinted at by its adjustable air suspension system and specialized all-terrain tires, which would allow for comfortable travel over a variety of terrains. If one were to enter the next kingdom home, the interior would be a work of architectural art, including state-of-the-art technology and custom craftsmanship. Although the design would be completely configurable, large, open-plan living areas with high ceilings and roomy floor plans, often accomplished by several full-wall slide-outs, would be a recurring element. Unique designed Italian leathers, rare natural stone countertops, hand-polished exotic hardwoods, and unique metalwork would all be of the greatest quality. Each surface would radiate sophistication. There would be a smooth and thorough technological integration. Climate control, sophisticated lighting schemes, entertainment systems, including cutting-edge movie setups with hidden displays, and security measures would all be managed by a completely automated smart house system that could be operated by voice, touch panels, or remote devices. With its custom refrigeration, professional-grade appliances, and spacious pantry, the kitchen would be a chef's paradise. With a king-sized bed, plenty of closet space, and an ensuite bathroom with dual vanities, a large custom shower, and possibly even a full-sized bathtub, the master suite would match that of a five-star hotel. There would also be more guest rooms added, each with its own amenities. Its self-sufficiency traits are likewise extreme in nature. Big freshwater storage, sophisticated water filtration and recycling systems, and a strong power generation system that combines solar arrays, big battery banks, and silent, high-capacity generators are all to be expected. Even in isolated areas, connectivity would be guaranteed by cutting-edge communication technologies like satellite internet and sophisticated navigation. Wherever its discriminating owners choose to live, the 2026 Prevost Extreme Motorhome would genuinely be built as a self-sufficient luxury setting, a next kingdom home that could provide unwavering comfort and freedom for extended periods of time.